Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back. I'm going to do a quick video today. This video is for those who are looking forward to getting their credentials evaluated. So we're going to have part 1 and part 2 of the video. Today we are talking about the fastest route to getting your credentials evaluated for the USA. That's the first thing we're talking about. I've got some nurses in England and some in Cameroon writing to me, asking me, oh Kelly, I need to get this thing started. I need to get this thing started. So this video is for you. So the first thing first is for you to, I'm going to put the link in my bio. If you check my bio, I'm going to put the link there. There is a link to a website called CEUfast. So I'm going to give you the fastest route. We have people doing CGFNS, ERES. There's a lot others, but I'm giving you the fastest. Keyword fastest. So okay, if you go down on that link, you see a website called CEUfast.com. Click on it, and then it's going to take you to a website where you have to do courses: infection prevention, control, and mandatory child abuse for New York. So you're going to do those two courses. When you do those two courses, you're going to go to the New York Board of Nursing website. When you get to the New York Board of Nursing website, you have to create an account, and then you fill in the information for registered professional nurse. Registered professional nurse is what you're looking for. So you fill in the information, and then they're going to give you two forms. You're going to download. Well, it depends if you want to declare your licensure in your home country, which most times I advise not to declare because it tends to delay the whole process, as we have nursing board of nursing in other countries taking forever to confirm your licensure. So I advise don't declare your licensure in your country. So just fill in your information and download the form 2F, send it to your university wherever you study, maybe in Cameroon, in England, in Germany, wherever you study. So they need to fill that form in English language. Your university is going to fill out that form and send it together with your detailed transcript. Keyword detailed transcript. So you're going to pay a sum to the New York Board of Nursing for them to evaluate your credential. Bear in mind, to do the courses in the CEUfast website, you have to pay, I think, like $40. The details of these, I'm going to transcribe everything and put it on in the description, so you check that information there. So when your university is going to fill and send your detailed transcript to New York Board of Nursing, which they are going to evaluate everything and approve you to sit for the NCLEX. Yay! Excuse me, like, you don't need IELTS, you don't need TOEFL, you don't need no English. You just need to do this. If your university or your nursing program was in English language, then you're good to go. So my people in Cameroon, this is for you. My Nigeria people, good to go. My Ghana people, this is all for you. So you don't need to write any IELTS at this stage. So when you get your credentials evaluated and they approve you to write the NCLEX, yay, you're going to receive an email telling you what to do, and then you can go to the Person Views website to get yourself registered and start preparing for NCLEX. In our next video, I will tell you exactly what I used to prepare for NCLEX. Yay, get yourself ready. Thank you. If you are interested and happy or looking forward to our next video, please click your notification button on, so as soon as we get our videos uploaded, you will be informed and you'll be the first to watch. Please comment, share your thoughts, tell me the things you're having difficulties in that you want me to expatiate on, and I'm going to do that for you. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.